People say you have to have a lot of passion for what you're doing, and it's totally true. And the reason is because it's so hard that if you don't, any rational person would give up. It's really hard, and you have to do it over a sustained period of time. So if you don't love it, if you're not having fun doing it, and you don't really love it, you're going to give up. And that's what happens to most people, actually. If you really look at the ones that ended up, being successful, unquote, in the eyes of society, and the ones that didn't, oftentimes it's the ones that are successful loved what they did so they could persevere when it got really tough. And the ones that didn't love it quit because they're sane, right? Who would want to put up with this stuff if you don't love it? So it's a lot of hard work, and it's a lot of worrying constantly. And if you don't love it, you're going to fail. So you got to love it. You got to have passion.
Steve Jobs was a widely known and well-established entrepreneur in the tech industry and considered a pioneer in helping advance computer software and hardware in the early stages of the advancement of technology. He founded Apple on the 1st of April back in 1976, and since then the brand and company have become one of the largest, if not the largest brands of all time till this day, with an estimated value of a whopping $2.9 trillion, which is bigger than the GDP of some entire countries as a whole. The company has incorporated many amazing concepts and ideas that they followed consistently through and through, which has helped Steve Jobs bring the company to where it is today. Here are 3 of the amazing business concepts they have applied that hopefully you can learn from and maybe apply to your own business. Now let's get straight into it. Number 1, innovation. If Apple is known for anything, it is very well known for its amazing ability to apply innovation throughout its entire business model, ranging from its products, to its services, to its human resources, and to its branding and much more. Apple's extremely large catalogue of past successful products is an excellent example and display of exactly just this. From the first iPhone being released with a touchscreen, advancing onto the newer iPhone 5, having fingerprint sensors with better cameras and higher resolution screens, onwards to the iPhone 10 having a full screen whilst getting rid of the home button and reducing the outer bezels of the screen to increase screen size, and then onwards to the iPhone 14 Pro, which has a much better camera and a processor that is now custom built by Apple so to work in a more efficient and optimized way with its software. Along with this, the applications have also come a very long way, and what an iPhone can be used for has also come a very long way along with this. Apple has gradually improved its iPhone each and every single year since 2007 with the release of its very first iPhone. If you compare this to the current one, you can see the generational innovation with this product and how it's advanced. Apple has also applied the same consistent concept to all of its other products, and this has helped keep the brand relevant, modernized and updated with the needs of its consumer and the world, which is always progressing and changing very fast. This is one of the reasons as to why the brand is so successful and has also helped advance the world of technology and is considered one of the leading innovators in the tech industry. Number 2, branding and ecosystem. Apple has created an iPhone that has become a smartphone that millions of people use around the world on a daily basis, that has become an essential part of their lives, from the way they conduct business affairs to the way they socialize with friends and family, and also even to the way they enjoy different forms of entertainment. Apple has done this by creating an amazing brand and ecosystem in the form of not only its iPhone but also its iOS operating system that is also available in other products of the same ecosystem, such as the iPad and MacBook computers, which have an operating system that allows them to be integrated and used in conjunction with each other. This ecosystem allows them to retain their customers. As the saying goes, it's easier to gain a returning customer than it is to get a new customer. If their customers are already enjoying their brand new iPhone, chances are they'll buy an iPad to use as a tablet and a MacBook to use as a computer, and maybe even a watch to keep track of their fitness. This, along with the fact that the software is integrated, meaning all of their work and data can be synced on all devices, means they'll have that much more of a convenient situation and are likely to stay in the Apple ecosystem and spend their money on the brand. All of these products can be seen as an add-on or standalone product to help retain their customers, and Apple has applied this concept of a product ecosystem in an amazing and successful successful way. Number 3. Premium and luxury appeal. Apple is known now as a premium and luxury brand selling both premium products and services. They have done this through consistently providing useful and amazing products for many years and have gradually increased the premium prices of their products, which were already considered quite expensive to begin with, all whilst improving the reputation and recognition of the Apple brand. They have reached a position where they are now able to charge the prices that they do. When customers purchase a product or service from a brand such as Apple, they are expecting a premium product and service, and this is something that Apple has been delivering consistently and exceptionally. All of their premium Apple products such as the iPhone, MacBook and iPads are made of high quality materials and have great durability. Their products all receive regular software updates, maintaining any bugs or other types of issues, and they also provide a high level of customer experience and service. Apple stores have massive displays of all their products for customers to see whilst having a walk around. This also allows them to try the products and see if it is to their liking, and this all in all does enhance the shopping experience that their customers get. They also provide online customer service in the form of online chat along with calling services, along with great customer service at the Apple Store, from picking an Apple product with a specialist or repairing a product at the Genius Bar. Apple has covered their customer experience and services from all angles. The luxury concept and perception of the brand, along with delivery of great products and premium customer service, is what allows Apple to thrive and to retain its customers, and because of how they've applied this concept, it has also greatly contributed to their success. That's it for the video, guys. Hope you did enjoy it and learned something new. Please make sure to leave a like, and if you are a fan of Apple, make sure to leave a comment down below on some of the Apple products that you are using. Until next time, peace.